to Grow Billionaire. So it's 3rd of September 2023, and on last Friday, Nifty gave a bullish closing above 13 EMA. It did not cross below 19,200. We were expecting Nifty to drop on the downside. In last week's analysis, we expected Nifty to pull back up towards 13 EMA, but we were expecting a drop once this low gets taken out. But Nifty did not open gap down in the next session, so that means the drop has temporarily halted. So we'll analyze the Nifty for next week and next session as well for the Monday, and we'll see where the Nifty can head on the upside or downside. We'll do the analysis with price action indicators first, and then we'll check the Elliott Wave. So let's first analyze with price action indicators. If you can see here, the Nifty has again closed above 13 EMA, which is this blue line. So this is the short-term moving average. Nifty has closed above that. So if in next session Nifty sustains about that 13 EMA, then there could be a possible trend change. However, RSI here is showing that it has bounced from 50 odd levels on the upside, and Aron indicator shows still extreme bearish zones. So these are the mixed signals, but definitely some dent has been made for the bearish view now. Okay, so as the Nifty has closed above 13 EMA moving average. So in next session, if Nifty manages to again, like maybe it can go up towards this 19,600 to 700 zones, it can go on the upside a little in the next session. After closing below 13 EMA, we need to watch again break of this low now. Okay, if this low is again broken, expect a dip to start. Next two sessions are important to understand if the Nifty is going to continue the rally, or after breaking this it can decline on the downside. So why is that? Because you can see here it needs to break this strong support zones with a gap, then only it will start the drop. Okay, otherwise we should not expect it, because you can see here how many candles are there? 1 2 3 4 5, right? And even this 6 7 candles. So 7 candles touch this, but there is no gap down after this, right? So this could be a trend pause or the downtrend pause as well. Okay, we need to watch for next two sessions. So on the upside, as I said, with the price action indicators here, we see that this is one of the swing high, and then there is this swing high. So 19,600 to 700 zones we need to watch. So definitely before breaking 19,223 is low with a gap down, don't expect Nifty to drop now. Either it's a trend pause, or it's uptrend, start of the uptrend. We'll get to know that by the end of next week. We'll do the analysis again. So let's now switch to Elliott Wave. So on Elliott Wave, this is another possible wave pattern. One of the leading diagonal structure as A wave, and this could be B wave. Okay, this could be B wave, which is making expanded flat correction, and then this way it can dip. But this is a hypothesis, so we have to watch if this materialize in next two sessions. It should not continue going higher more than 2 days. That's what I'm expecting. Even in the next session, if it opens gap up, okay, if it opens gap up here and then starts the drop, okay, then starts the dip on hourly chart making red candles, then there is a possibility that it is going to dip on the downside and make that move towards the low that we discussed, right? Last time we discussed it could hit these levels at 50% or 0.600%, 18,400 to 18,000 levels. Why is that? There is a Bank Nifty's chart as well, which we need to consider. Bank Nifty is looking temporarily on pullback as well, right? So this is the way Bank Nifty is pulling up. So this is also forming some kind of wedge structure. We need to watch out for that. Okay, and if similar thing happens right here, the Bank Nifty is not looking any bullish, making any bullish pattern despite the last candle. So it could also open gap up, trade towards this, and then could show a sign of weakness, making a drop on the downside. So on the Nifty, what we are expecting is the move towards 0.600 Fibonacci, right? So 700, 19,585 something, okay, 585 to 700 are the zone. So here the up move can be further discussed like this. So this could be 1-2-1-2 formation on 15-minute chart or something. So yeah, this looked like a wedge structure, wave one, and we could be in a third wave. Okay, so wave C is 5-wave structure, by the way. If it opens gap up and then gives a smaller consolidation, if the drop has to come, it might come after 3 p.m. That's what I'm assuming. So next session should be a bullish as per the wave C's up move. Okay, possible up move. So we might even get tricked if it is not able to break 19,223. So don't go on short here. It will be very risky, as we discussed in our last session as well. Sometimes you get tricked, and the wave pattern, if you are plotted wrongly, and if you have wrong understanding of the wave pattern, then there is a chance that you might get punished. So do not short here without looking at some signals. Okay, and better go for short only below 19,223. There will be a gap downs if it breaks this level again. Okay, from the top there will be gap downs, and it will be swiftly going on the downside. So but yeah, long term trend for the Nifty is still strong. We will have another wave to catch on the upside. Alternatively, there can be another theory as well that you can mention here, that I can mention here. Let me just hide some of the stuff on the chart. So this is the bullish alternative that I have. Okay, what if Nifty is making 1-2-1-2 pattern like this, right? So let's say 1-2 here. This 2 is very shallow, then 3, 4, 5, right? So it could be making 1-2-1-2 pattern, and this could be just 1-2-1-2 wave. The third of third, which is the strongest wave, is yet to start. So there is a chance that we could be starting that wave soon. But yeah, for this we need a confirmation break of this 20,000. So if 20,000 is broken, we should head very fast on the upside. This is what my another bullish alternative view is. In this Elliott wave analysis, I would not say on the longer term you need to sell out any of your positional trades or long-term trades. There is no risk. There is no major risk. 5-10% corrections usually come. In last video we discussed that this correction was nearly 10%, and if we drop even towards 18,000 from here like this, it will be around 9 to 10%, and that will not cause any damage to your portfolios. That's what I think. And yeah, even I'm holding my positions strongly. And there is another move on the upside. So this particular move that we are considering as a B wave, so this is A wave that we are considering. B wave is also shallow, very small. So there is a possibility that this could be a complete bullish structure, and we could be counting this ABC structure wrongly. So that possibility is there. So hope you understand the Nifty's move. Just watch out this zone of 19,600 to 700s, and if we drop below, drop on the downside and break 19,223, then only we should look for bearish move towards 18,400 to 18,000 zones. Until then, let's see how the Nifty moves, whether it creates some bullish pattern and continues trading higher. And 19,700 is a first signal of a bullish move. 20,000 break is the next signal of further bullish move. So hope you like the analysis. Do hit like, add comments if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.